That is really good.
So I know you love a really good Bloody Mary.
I do. I know.
Well, Devil Dave sent me this Bloody Mary seasoning packet to try out.
The thing that I really like about this is that you could take it anywhere. So I travel a lot, so I could take it with me on the plane.
Ready to go.
Yeah.
Stick it in your pocket and go.
Yeah.
Get it,
Yeah.
stick,
In your pocket.
and go. Let's see if we like it.
We're going to taste it and we'll tell you what we think.
All right.
So, all right. So the first thing we need is ice. We are going to do 2 ounces of pepper vodka. Then we're going to do about 12 ounces of tomato juice. We're going to do some lime. Can you hold that?
I will hold this for you.
You're so kind.
I really want you to give me that packet.
I love. We are going to take our Devil Dave's Bloody Mary stick. Take
Here
a
we
look.
go.
Ready? Here it comes. Look at all
That's a
those
lot.
seasonings. Wow. Smells good.
Oh,
That
smells good. Yeah. Let's hurry up and mix this
Yeah.
thing.
Okay. We're not going to shake it. We're just going to toss it. Okay. You are the Bloody Mary lover, so you get to taste it.
All right.
And tell everybody what you think about the Bloody Mary stick.
Right now?
Yes.
All right.
There you go.
Smells perfect. That's pretty darn good.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me taste.
That's actually surprisingly good. Wow. Yeah.
It's not too spicy because I don't like really spicy or hot.
And you used pepper vodka.
I did.
It's perfect.
Yeah, it's really good.
All right, I'm sold.
2 thumbs up. Here you go. You can take that with you. All right.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
That's a hell of a drink, Devil Dave. Thank you.